Hey guys, welcome back to Dazzling Stars. In this video, I'm going to make two types of 3D snowflakes. So let's get started. Take a 4 size paper and cut it into square of 9 cm by 9 cm. We require 5 square pieces. Measure 2.5 cm from either side. Then fold it. Paste the edges so as to get a rectangle shape. Make a fold of half a centimeter on either side. After that, fold either sides towards inside. Then fold it from center. Mark 3 points, a center point and 2 points on either side from the top. We have to draw and cut a pattern like this. Similar shapes of equal sizes are made with all the 5 pieces. All patterns are glued together in the center. Make sure that the edges are not pasted. Paste the both sides and the snowflake is ready. For the next one, take a 4 size paper and cut it into a square of 14 cm by 14 cm. Draw diagonal lines of width half a centimeter. Cut strips of 1 cm till the central diagonal line. The ends of the alternative strips are pasted towards the center. The same is repeated on the other side. We have made similar patterns with other 5 sheets. All the patterns are joined at the center and our second 3D snowflake is ready. Don't miss any of the videos in our upcoming Christmas decor series. So stay tuned. And like, share and subscribe.